Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be having a look at how we can create a LinkedIn post from an article. So instead of a simple idea, we're going to be pasting in a ton of text and see what we get. So I thought a great way to get started is to actually paste in some text from my recent newsletter in the Signal. So what I can do here is copy the AI highlights, paste this in, and select all of the AI highlights that I wrote about last week that happened in the world of AI. So I can copy this and I can ask, create a LinkedIn post on the top 3 AI highlights from last week that I wrote about in my newsletter below. And what we can do is hit enter, and we'll be taken through to the editor page. On the left-hand side, we have the chat interface here. On the right-hand side, we have the content pane. And as we can see, it's pulled on the context from this message that we've asked GrowHub through to the post itself. So the post itself is split into 3 distinct sections. We've got the hook, the body, and the call to action. And as we can see, it's very coherently pulled it into a listicle format. Google's triple threat. Here we've talked about Gemini 2.0, VO2, Imagen 3, OpenAI's O3 Revolution, as well as the cancer detection breakthrough, which I've actually really liked how it's packaged that. I think that's really unique. Maybe though I want to change the call to action. So I want to regenerate this and ask for a newsletter sign up and then also a profile follow. So I can ask people to now follow or at least sign up to my newsletter as well as follow my profile. So we can hit regenerate. Here we go, get weekly deep dives into groundbreaking AI developments, join 500 tech leaders in my newsletter, and then we can just paste in that URL there. We can change this number here, as well as here, we can update that to the profile name of ours. So maybe here we can update this so we can actually paste in the URL of my newsletter, paste that in there. We can update this to 40,000 tech leaders in my newsletter, and then we can also update this to Alex Banks. Now we can save that. And why don't we preview it to see how it looks like on LinkedIn? So we can click on this preview button, and as we can see how it looks like across both mobile through to tablet and also desktop devices. So I like how that's looking. I'm very happy with that. All that's left to do is to copy the content. Go across to LinkedIn, start a new post, and hit Command V or right-click paste. And there we go. All that's left to do is to just adjust this @ handle to myself so that I'm correctly tagged, or in your case, so that you're correctly tagged. And I'm very happy. Then all we have to do is go ahead and post it. Hope that helps.